Hi everyone, my name is Warren. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve this 3 times 3 snake cube. Okay, let's start. So the first step is we're gonna make a ladder. So now, as you can see, there's a big W here and a small W here. So face the W upside down and then the right, the small W one. And now we're gonna make a tower. So how to make a tower? Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8, 9, 10 need to close. After you get 8, 9, 10, so close it. Now we're gonna move this tree at the right. We're gonna move it here. There we go. So that's how to solve 3 times 3 snake cube. And thank you for watching. Bye.